Many seniors feel tired, bloated, or slowed down without knowing the real cause. Often it's because our organs are overworked and need natural support. Today, I'll show you 5 powerful herbs that can gently cleanse your organs and give you more energy. These herbs have been used for centuries, backed by science, and safe when taken correctly. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use them. Let's start with the most underrated liver hero. Milk thistle contains silymarin, a compound known to repair liver tissue. It helps flush out toxins from medicines, processed foods, and pollution. Seniors who feel heavy after meals often notice better digestion after using it. You can take milk thistle as a capsule or tea. It's gentle but effective for liver renewal. Avoid it only if you have ragweed allergies. Dandelion root is a natural diuretic that increases urine production. This helps your kidneys flush extra salt, waste, and swelling causing fluids. It also supports bile flow for smoother digestion. You can drink dandelion tea in the evening to reduce bloating. It is safe for long-term use for most seniors. Avoid it only if you are already on strong diuretics. Ginger cleanses the digestive tract and boosts circulation. It reduces inflammation that strains the stomach, liver, and heart. Many seniors feel less gas, nausea, and sluggish digestion after using it. Add 1 slice of ginger to warm water daily. You can use ginger powder in tea or food as well. Avoid high amounts if you take blood thinners. Turmeric supports the liver, heart, brain, and joints all at once. Its compound curcumin helps clean the blood and reduce oxidative stress. Many seniors notice better energy and reduce stiffness with consistent use. Turmeric works best with a pinch of black pepper. Add it to warm milk or regular meals to get the full benefit. Avoid large doses if you have gallbladder stones. Tulsi, or holy basil, cleanses the lungs, supports heart health, and reduces stress hormones. It helps seniors breathe easier and stay calmer. Many people also feel improved immunity after using it daily. Drink Tulsi tea in the morning or evening. It's especially helpful during seasonal changes. Avoid taking it at night if it keeps you too alert. Start with just 1 herb at a time so you can observe how your body responds. Seniors should always begin with small doses and increase slowly. Those on blood thinners, diuretics, or diabetes medicine should consult their doctor first. Herbs work best when used consistently for a few weeks. Avoid taking all 5 at once unless guided by a professional. Drink enough water to support the cleansing process. Walking daily helps your liver, lungs, and kidneys function better. Warm water after waking up improves digestion and detox. Deep sleep gives your organs the rest they need to heal. Small habits, repeated daily, create big changes in your health. Herbs support your journey but don't replace healthy routines. Consistency is where the real magic happens. These 5 herbs can gently cleanse your organs and boost your energy. Share this video with someone who needs natural support for their health. And tell me in the comments which herb you want to try first. Remember, incorporating these powerful herbs into your diet can significantly enhance your overall health and well-being. If you found this video helpful, check out my other videos on herbal remedies and share your thoughts in the comments below.